Where do you start with intermittent fasting? Now, did you know that Professor Arnold Ehret created the term and the concept intermittent fasting back in the 1910s? Now, why is that important to you? Well, if you know the word intermittent fasting, but you don't know who Professor Arnold Ehret is, what else are you missing? Why do you know intermittent fasting, but you don't know about the person that coined the term? Let's find out. So I'm Professor Spira. I've practiced a mucus diet healing system for over 18 years. I've helped thousands and thousands of people transform their lives and overcome numbers of various ailments and illnesses using the methods of Professor Arnold Ehret and his trademark mucusless diet healing system. In this video, we're going to explore the history of this concept, intermittent fasting, and it's the untold history, the history that has been suppressed, that has been ignored by the media. And by learning and understanding this true history, you will be empowered and emboldened to move forward and really truly understand what this concept of intermittent fasting is. So Professor Arnold Ehret is a German healer. By the early 1900s, he wrote a number of very influential books on fasting, on diet, and healing, and had a sanitarium where he was curing thousands of people that had been declared incurable by the medical orthodoxy. And in his book, Mucus Diet Healing System, he coins the term intermittent fasting. Now, this is the annotated, revised, and edited edition of the Mucus Diet Healing System, but the original version, the 4th edition, 1924 version of the Mucus Diet Healing System is what is used for the primary part. You can also check out Ehret's Rational Fasting book, which has a little bit of crossover from what's in the Mucus Diet and the dedicated edition of Rational Fasting. If you go to the fourth fasting, part number 4 in Mucus Diet Healing System, or any edition that you have, and Ehret goes over these various concepts, a 24-hour fast or 1 meal a day plan. So he's talking about eating 1 mucus-free meal a day. Then there's a section, fasting when used in connection with the mucusless diet healing system. So important to understand this system, the mucusless diet healing system. So many people fast indiscriminately. They eat whatever they want, and then they say, oh, I'm going to go through a cleanse and fast for a few days and hit the reset button, and then indiscriminately, fast a couple days or use some rough, not really this methodology, just not eat for a couple days, and then go right back to eating the disease-causing foods that they're accustomed to without any kind of transition, without any method or system to what they're doing. But Ehret provides a very sophisticated system to be able to go to not just not eat for a day or two, but to go from eating a mucus-free diet to then strategically going a day without food, or only eating once a day. So I'm going to read a couple paragraphs from the mucusless diet, and this is where the concept of intermittent fasting is born. If fasting is to be used at all, then start it first with the non-breakfast plan, then follow with the 24-hour fast for a while, then gradually increase up to 3, 4, or 5 days fasts, eating between fasts for 1, 2, 3, or 4 days, a mucusless diet, combined individually as an elimination adjustment, and at the same time supplying and rebuilding the body continually with and by the best elements contained in and found only in mucusless foods. Through such an intermittent fast, the blood is gradually improved, regenerated, can more easily stand the poisons and wastes, and is able at the same time to dissolve and eliminate disease deposits from the deepest tissues of the body. Deposits that no doctor ever dreamed existed, and that no other method of healing has ever discovered or can ever remove. This then is the mucusless diet healing system with fasting as an essential part of it. So right here we have simplicity. So I'm not getting into these theories of calories and theories of the ketones and all that kind of stuff. It's very simple coming from this perspective. Fasting is an art form. Mucusless diet healing system is an art form. So we're not trying to frame things in terms of these a lot of scientific concepts that change constantly. And that could be a whole other video where I just go through lists and lists of concepts that were considered to be scientific, that were considered to be irrefutable, and then now they're looked at as if they're insane. How could we have ever have believed in that? But this is about art. This is about the art of life, the art of living. People have survived and lived and created things that we can't even understand, that we can't even explain how they were created, from pyramids to a number of other things that we just don't even know. All we have is theories. And you mean to tell me that these elevated humans that we don't know anything about, that we don't understand, could create these things that we don't know how they created it? We're able to use reductivist analysis to know every little thing. Each person's body is different. Everybody's history of eating is different. The amount and accumulation of waste in each person's intestine and colon is different. And so the systems and the principles of the mucusless diet and this path of cleansing and healing remain the same, but it needs to be adaptable to each person's situation. And you don't need to have a degree in biochemistry in order to understand and practice the simple concepts. This is about the doing. So first and foremost, you have to get the methods and the information, but then you have to take action. You don't want to have your head so filled with a bunch of concepts and all this stuff that is not going to help you. I recommend check out Mucusless Diet Healing System by Professor Arnold Ehret. Check out Rational Fasting. These are the quintessential books on fasting and the concept, again, of intermittent fasting that was created by Professor Arnold Ehret in the Mucusless Diet Healing System. So if you are somebody if you're just trying to lose weight, if you're someone in the field of natural healing, then you need to know about Professor Arnold Ehret, get into his information and share it. Share it with your clients, with your practitioners. Because when people say the word intermittent fasting, Professor Arnold Ehret's name should immediately be associated with it and attached to it, or come up with a different concept. But intermittent fasting, that's Professor Arnold Ehret's. So I thank you so much for tuning in. Now, if you want to get your hands on all of these books for one low price, go down below, click the link. I have a couple bundles, great price, to be able to get all of these books at once. It's the cheapest that you can get these books. We publish 7 different books, all about the Mucusless Diet Healing System, the mucus-free lifestyle, the mucus-free diet. You go through all these books, you will be so educated from a very rational standpoint. We could relate our studies and the diet to all of the modern scientific concepts. But for the average person, it's totally unnecessary. It's about results. Result-oriented. Practice the system and see for yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in. Give us a like if you don't mind. Share this video with other people that don't really understand what intermittent fasting truly is or where it came from. And subscribe to the channel. Trying to come out with a lot more content for you about the mucus-free lifestyle. So stay tuned. And until next time, peace, love, and breath.